Hey guys, Theo here and welcome to the Caffeine Zone where we discuss everything coffee. And in this video, we will be discussing the Bodum. Now, the Bodum, very similar to the Chemex, just not the Chemex. It doesn't completely have the breathing spout for the air to come out because it's for a metal filter. Now, normally, I'm not a fan of metal filters because it lets a lot of the very fine particles of the grind through the filter and into your cup. But now, if you are a French press or plunger fan, then this is the drip coffee for you. Don't know when it was invented because it is very recently. It's just created by Bodum to have something very similar to what we call the Chemex, just so you can enjoy elegant coffee, slightly rougher. Water at 80 degrees Celsius. I'm just going to preheat the chamber. There we go. And we are going to jump straight into this method. Preheating your filter, you probably could, but it's going to be heating up with your coffee. It's not paper. I don't see the need in it. So we'll just skip all of that. We'll go in 20 grams of coffee, slightly coarser than Chemex, the way I enjoy having it, because I'm going to do a very slow pour on it. So 20 grams in, 200 mils out, 1:10 ratio, the way I like it. Start that timer. We'll do a very slow bloom, just wetting all of that coffee. Now you'll notice this runs through really fast. And so because we don't really have a lot of time to get the coffee and the water to spend time together, it can come out as a very weak cup if you pour too fast. So my suggestion would be give it some good time to bloom. I'm going to go about 40 to 50 seconds, and then I'm going to do one pour. I'm going to pour once all the way up to 200 mils, but very slowly, to have a lot of contact time between the water and the coffee to create a slightly more intense cup. Now remember, this is not to have that clean, delicate cup. This is literally to enjoy a French press type of body coffee, but through a dripper. Now you can put a filter in here, but that kind of defines the purpose of having it. So if you want to buy one of these instead of purchasing a Chemex or a V60 as well, just pop your filter up top. The filters that work in the Clever works perfect. Go, nice and slow pour. And there we go. 200 mils poured in about 2 minutes 10 seconds. And of course it runs out really fast. Just shake those last few drops. Now what I like about the Bodum bottom chamber or the base, this is awesome if you put your V60 on top. It breathes really nice and it gives you a good steady pour. And then of course you can serve it from this. You don't need your little kettle and all of that goes with it. So as you can see, fairly strong, not too weak. About a 2.5 minute or just over 2 minute pour gives it enough contact time to create a nice delicate body. Also doesn't pour as nice as the Chemex. So do I like it? Yes. Do I prefer it? No, I prefer the Chemex. The Chemex just feels right. So this works if you're into it. As I mentioned, if you're into French press or plunger coffee, this is where you want to be. But for delicacy, this is acceptable. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to see the rest of the videos. Hope you guys find your happy place in every single cup.